Hi guys, Phil here from RPI Designs again. Today we're going to show you our new polishing kit for your stainless steel exhaust tips on your Corvette or any other car you have. It's a real high quality kit, it's got a lot of good stuff in it. Costs a little bit more than the competition, but we'll show you why it costs a little bit more. First thing you get, not one but two high quality towels. These are not the cheap microfibers you get anywhere else. These are really thick, really strong, last a lifetime. You get two buffing wheels, a larger one here which works great for doing the larger NPP style exhaust system. It fits right in there perfectly, makes cleaning up those tips real easy. Got a smaller one if you don't have that, or if you have some other detail work you want to do, because this kit will also polish up any other stainless steel you have on your cars. We have two buffing compounds here, brown one and a green one here. Brown one's more aggressive than the green. We give you full sticks. Unlike our competition, one gives you maybe a half a stick. It's way easier to handle if you have a full stick here when you're working with this, and it'll just last a whole lot longer. And the other thing we give you that no one else does is the Simichrome Polish. This stuff is amazing. It will take out all kinds of problems you have with your stainless tips, and the best part is it seals it up tight. So all you have to do is just a quick wipe when you're done. Anytime you're driving it, just stop by, quick wipe, good to go. Looks like brand new again. Great stuff in the secret to our kit. Alright guys, we're outside now. We have our C7 Z06 here. But you see the exhaust tips look horrible. We only have 300 miles on this. So we're going to get these looking like they did before they even fired up there at Bowling Green. First step you do, you take the cloth, you wipe off any of the loose stuff, get rid of the big chunks, anything like that real quick and easy. There you go. As you can see, this isn't your normal cloth. This is a real good cloth, real high quality. It'll last you for years. All you gotta do is just throw it in the laundry, wash it clean. It's good to go for more cleaning. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna install the large tip into your drill. First thing you recommend you do is go run a screwdriver here across this here to knock off any of the loose stuff here, so you get a better quality job. All right, next step, we're just gonna go to the green. The green's a milder polish than the brown because our car is new. I don't have to worry about it, but like I said, if you have an older car, it's got a lot of miles on it, you're probably gonna want to start with the brown. Just make sure you get everything polished up smooth. Then you simply insert it here in your exhaust tip, just let the buffer do the work. Just add more compound as you need it. Alright guys, got done doing the exhaust tips here. As you can see, look at all this on here. You saw how clean we wiped them out before. This is all just metal on here, sticking to the compound here. These things are going to shine up great when we do our next step, the Simichrome. Alright guys, here, the last step here we do apply the Simichrome. You only need just a little touch for each one. Squirt some out here on your fingertip. Wipe it around. Then you just start buffing them again. Okay guys, if you did a good job here with the green and the brown buffing compounds, it should only take a minute or two for each exhaust tip here with the Simichrome. You have a great looking mirror-like shine. All I gotta do is just finish wiping it off here with this rag. Alright, now that everything's all nice sealed, look back and admire your hard work. To keep them looking great like this, we recommend that you actually wipe them down while they're still warm after you've driven somewhere. You go to a car show or you get home at the end of the day, just grab one of these towels included here, just give a quick wipe. It'll keep them looking great longer. When we get down here close, you'll be able to see even down here inside the exhaust tips, it is almost polished to a mirror-like shine as well. This is sure to get you a couple extra points at the car show and make your life easier when detailing your car. We'll see you next time.